Hello everyone, grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into the loop, make it a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into two equal sections and have ponytails on each of them. Have a wrap band attached to the top middle part and curl it up in the middle one, drop the tail into it, drop the entire tail into the twisted band and have it come down, split them into three equal parts and have it braided and make the braid go to the top and drop it inside the twisted band and have it in place by dropping beautiful hairpin. Get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap band, have another section of the hair right below it and tie it over the first tail with the wrap band. Do the same for totally 3 times. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into 3 equal parts and have it braided and fold the braid inwards and make it to the top, dropping your favorite hairpin in the middle of the braid we have. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into the loop, make it a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair, along with the tail we have, split them into 3 equal sections and have each section into 3 parts and have it braided. Drop the braid into the twisted band and have it come down and continue doing it until you reach the very end and secure with a lovely hair clip in the middle of the hairstyle. Tie in the middle of the wrap band and have a wrap band attached to the middle part of the tail and curl it up and drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail into the parent slip and have it come down, making a heart and shaped love. With the remaining tail we have Hairdos a ponytail and have a wrap band attached to the middle part, curl up in the middle one, drop the tail into it and drop the entire loop around the lump we created and have the excess tip, then have it in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin on top of that. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and grab the sides of the hair right next to and tie it over the first tail with the wrap band and have a gap created using a finger and drop the second tail into it. Do it totally for 4 times and with the remaining section of the hair, leave it as such and drop on your favorite hair clutcher on top of the wrap band we have. Go for a ponytail and split them into 3 equal parts and braid it. So usually we would braid it in an outwards manner, but this time you have to braid it in an inwards manner. So do the same braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the wrap band. Pinch out the braid at the sides to make it flatter. Then also have a wrap band attach the middle part of the remaining tail and curl up in the middle one and drop the tip into it, attach it to the second wrap band and drop on your favorite hairpin. Make a ponytail, split them into 2 parts with the bottom one being thicker and have a top on the wrap band, touch the middle part and curl up in the middle and drop the tail into it. Make the entire back section come to the front through the loop and scrunch it to the top, making a bow tie. And with the remaining tail we have Hairdos a ponytail and have a little slip of it from the top and make it go in the middle of the bow tie by using a hair loop. That's it, we are done. If you want, you can decorate with your lovely hairpin. Go for a ponytail and insert a very long bun maker behind your ponytail horizontally and twist the entire tail onto it, making it completely hidden and also making it into a singular braid. Then secure the end with the wrap band. Once when you finish that, roll the braid into a clockwise direction, making it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Hold the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to its position on the top. Once again, go for a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and split the tail into 3 equal parts, and you know what to do. Have it braided the usual way, that is the outwards manner, so that the first tail goes to the third place and comes back to the first place, and secure the end with the wrap band. Once when you finish the braiding, fold the braid to half and move it to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair clutcher around the braid we have, decorating even more further. Grab the entire top section of the hair completely and comb it, making it even. Then after that, straighten it down by using a simple bun maker all the way to the bottom and roll it and make it to the top, making a lovely hair roll and bend it down on both of its ends, making a lovely pig nose. Then hide the excess bun maker by extending the hair over that. That's it, we have made it. If you want, you can decorate with your lovely hairpin. Thank you everyone for watching this video.